Hi everyone, it's great to be back. I thought I'd just do a quick demonstration on one way that you could create your letters for your graphic design poster. So you're picking one word that describes you, and you're going to create a poster to sell your skills to your company that you would like to work for as a graphic designer. So graphic designers, remember, their job is to communicate visually. So using shape and color, line, all those things that we talk about when we create work, graphic designers use to create their work as well. And so I'm going to start with the word loud. More in thinking of how it means also bold. So maybe my employer or the company I want to work for will see that I can get attention for them, because that is what a company would want a graphic designer to do, is to get attention for their product or their information or whatever they are doing. So one way to do this, of course, you may have your own ideas, and that's fine too. One way to do this would be to use your materials. So you'll have paper, pencil, and some markers, is to create sort of a block letter with your word in it. One way to do that would just be to kind of lightly sketch out where you want your letters. And then you can kind of go around those a little bit larger in more of a block design. Maybe my U and O can kind of connect. That's interesting. I kind of like how the letters all connected. Maybe I want to change and improve this part of my design to have that O also connect with the L. Okay, so once you have your block letters, you could then possibly put some sort of shape that shows what you're talking about. So loud, creating a shape that's also loud. Once you're finished with that, you might then take your black marker, if you have that, or crayon, or whatever you're using. I like to go over some of those lines once I have them done and I know where they're going to be. In addition to that, you might choose to add some smaller details. And once you're finished, then you may choose to create your color palette that will also communicate your words. So for loud, I got some bright, happy colors. I'm gonna stick with only 3 colors for my particular design, because I think that's simple and interesting, and I like the way these 3 colors look together. And you can create that color pattern however you want. We're just going to go ahead and color in those block letters that you made. And fill in your piece with a bold design. Here's a different one that I made earlier. You can see I used the same block letters, but then also added some fun words that were synonyms of my big word loud and added them around. You could add that if you'd like, or just keep it the one word. However you want to design yours is great. Have fun.